Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this sleigh, Christmas sleigh. It's a paint by line product, which means all the lines are etched in the cutout for you. And I'm going to go in first and base coat my sleigh in the color Pine Cone. And then I'm going to go in and fill in my lettering, and I'll be using Barn Red and Limeade for the lettering, and I'm just filling that in with like a number 6 round. And I'm using Mint Julep for the greenery that's on the bottom of my sleigh. And then next I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Chocolate. And I'm going to use that to begin to kind of add some detail, some wood grain to my sleigh. And so what I do is just every so often I will do straight lines, and then I'll do a little curved line, almost like a number 6 or a 9. And I will just repeat this. And then I'm going to go in and kind of loosely outline my lettering and my greenery with a number 4 round and the color black. And then after that, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.